All right, we're here at the challenge level, the challenge lesson, and this challenge lesson is not so bad. It's kind of like the code that you wanted to write that last lesson, but you couldn't because it took too many blocks. So let's check it out. Again, don't panic on this one. Just take your time, get it done. I know you guys can do this. So I'm ready for the challenge. Let's see what it says. Okay, fill in all the holes using as few blocks as possible. Obviously, we can't use in the workspace. It says use 7 blocks. 7 blocks is the limit they're looking for us to have. All right. So when we run, we know we should know that we're going to want to repeat something over and over again. Specifically, each leg of this spiral is going to be one thing, right? So we're going to go forward once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. So we'll make this repeat block say 6 times. 6 times we're going to move forward and try and fill in a hole. Okay. So what are we going to do? Well, let's use that while path ahead loop because that's a good one, right? So while there's a path ahead, we're going to move forward. As soon as there's not a path ahead, we're going to stop, and that's when we should do another while loop. And that's while there is a hole, we're going to fill one. Okay. So again, we're going to move forward until we get to the end. Because if we move forward and fill the hole, move forward and hole, forward and hole, forward and hole, forward and hole, forward and hole. So the only thing left we have to do is what do we do after we fill in that hole? And if you think about it long enough, you can see that here I'm going to need to turn, and then here I'm going to need to turn, 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 and well, not really turn there, but every other time you do. And as a result, if you think long enough about it, you're going to turn the same direction every time. And if you think long enough about it, you should see that the direction you're going to turn every time is going to be to the right. So we're going to turn right each of those times. And honestly, this 7 blocks should do everything that we're looking for it to do. Let's check it out. Again, what are we going to do? 6 times. We're going to move forward as long as we can. When we get to the end, there's no path. We're going to fill the hole as much as we can. When we're done filling the hole, we're going to turn right and then do it over again. Move forward all that we can, fill all that we can, then turn right. So let's see. We move forward. That hole's got, I don't know, it looks like 3, I guess. 3 dirt we need to fill in there. One looks like it has 1. I think we got 2 in this next hole. Look at that. We're turning right. Another 2. There we go. Yeah, this is amazing. Going forward, filling holes. And again, she's following that basic spiral pattern because she just keeps turning right. And the code is kind of set up for us to find our way around here. All right, so we wrote 6 lines of code. That's good. That was our challenge level. Hopefully you got that. If you don't, go back and pause it where you need it to go. Need to look at it a little bit longer. Excited to see what you guys write. Again, make sure you work through all of the levels, not just the challenge level. And I can't wait to see that screenshot with your completed progress bar in the exit ticket. That's it, guys.